And now to the latest in the high-profile JEA corruption trial, where we are nearly 10 hours into jury deliberations for one of the two juries. The verdict for former CEO Aaron Zahn has been reached. They reached their decision, but that result will be sealed until the jury for former CFO Ryan Wannemacher reaches its verdict. Arenatu Gregorio is on your side this morning, live right outside of the federal courthouse. Arenatu, you've been in court all morning long and for most of the past 4 weeks. What are you hearing about what's happening at this hour?
Well, right now, Keitha, it's really a waiting game at the moment. Zahn's jury reaching a verdict in just under 8 hours yesterday, but we're still, as you said, waiting for Wannemacher's. I spoke with a defense attorney unaffiliated with this case who says it's generally regarded as a good thing for a defendant if a jury takes longer in their deliberations. However, they have a month's worth of evidence to go through here. The two former executives are accused of conspiring to push for the sale of JEA, along with an incentive plan that would have resulted in them stealing hundreds of millions of dollars from the city of Jacksonville, according to prosecutors. They are each facing a conspiracy charge and a wire fraud charge. So far, Wannemacher's jury has had one question for the court, asking about getting the wording for Florida statutes that were mentioned in testimony. During the trial, Wannemacher's defense attorney suggested Wannemacher, who worked under Zahn, was only facing charges because it would have looked odd to charge Zahn with conspiracy without someone else involved. Zahn's defense attorneys argued he was hired to shake up and innovate JEA, and that's what he did. Plus, he relied on lawyers who never suggested he was doing anything unlawful. If convicted on all charges, each man face up to 25 years in federal prison. This morning, when at first court got started, the jury came in, then they were in court for less than 5 minutes before they went to deliberate. But Zahn and his counsel were not there, which the judge was surprised about. However, they are here now. We just actually saw Zahn come back and walk back inside less than 5 minutes ago. Reporting live at the federal courthouse, Arenatu Gregorio, First Coast News, on your side.